Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. So guys, when you have opened your app store to download or update apps and facing this type of issue again and again and not be able to download apps on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you have to open your settings first. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to go back, scroll it below. From here, you have to click on general and click on VPN and device management. So guys, from here, you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN. After doing this, you have to go back and update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing all these settings, you have to go back on your home screen. And guys, now you have to open your app store here. So guys, from here you have to click on your main profile and click on your Apple ID name. And after this, you need to wait for some seconds. So guys, after a few seconds, you will see this password tab. Here you need to enter your password of your Apple ID. And guys, after entering your password, simply you have to click on sign in and you have to wait for some seconds here. As you can see, page will be open and now you will see this type of interface. So guys, from here you will see the option of country and region. Click on this, and after this you need to wait. So guys, from here you will see the option of change country or region. Click on it, and from here you need to select your own country and region. For example, I am going to select United States. And guys, after this you have to accept terms and conditions of Apple ID. You have to click on agree, and now you will see this type of interface. So guys, if you have any debit or credit card, you can add also here debit or credit card information. And if you have PayPal, select PayPal. And if you have not any payment method, you have click on none. And after this, here you need to enter your billing name, and must here you need to enter your billing address. So guys, the main reason of this problem is you have not added any billing address here. Simply you have to enter here billing address and phone number as well, and click on next and save all the information. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.